everyone, this is Varda Aziz. You're watching me on Something Hot, and you're also watching me in Meri Zindagi Hai Tu as Faria, as the annoying Faria. So we're going to talk about that and, other things about my life.
Assalamu alaikum guys, this is a really exciting time for television because we're seeing a lot of new faces that are coming in with know-how, with training, with education, and they're navigating new spaces in the television industry, in the fashion industry, and then bringing the two together. I have with me Varda Aziz, who's one of the most, according to Hassan, annoying characters on television right now, but she's in an extremely popular and, can I say, like, borderline problematic drama.
I mean,
she didn't write it, so yeah, she's not responsible for it. मेरी जिंदगी है तू.
Yeah.
अगर उससे पहले वर्दा को हमने देखा लव गुरु में, and that's where I noticed you, and I was like, okay, this is a really smart face and you have a really intelligent presence on screen, and you did in Love Guru as well, but you are a film student.
I am.
And you have been in the styling industry for commercials and music videos and Coke Studio and all of that for the last 12-13 years.
Yes.
And now you are making your foray into television
I am.
as the very persistent
And imagine
Faria.
the first role being annoying, but I think that's my win. So
I think it's your win. I think
Yeah.
the minute that Faria steps out of that Cybertruck in her high heels, you know that, okay, this girl means business.
Yes.
And she can be taken seriously because,
Yeah. 'cause she's
you-
tough.
She's tough and
Yeah.
she fit the role
Yeah.
perfectly, you
Yeah.
know, and she's going to fight for what she believes in. Now, why she's fighting for it is another conversation altogether, and we'll get to it. But, Parda,
Yes.
how does it feel? Is this your first mainstream TV drama?
Yes.
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 And you've done Love Guru as well, which
Yeah.
was as mainstream cinema as it gets in Pakistan.
Yeah, but Love Guru was a much smaller role, I would say.
But
and
you had a large role in Love Guru as well.
as a stylist.
Of course.
Yes.
Of course.
I think that was my main thing.
Yeah.
And it's funny because the first meeting that I had with Nadeem Beg, I went and he was like, "Oh, so you're also an actor, and tum ye karti ho, wo karti ho." And I think he knew it in his head at that point.
Yeah.
Like, I'm going to give her a role in this.
Yeah.
It did become very. It became a little tough for me, I would say, because styling was my main thing, and then I was so focused, and I'm also a micromanager, so I wanted to do everything myself.
Yeah.
Like I was fixing clothes and this and that, whatever. Like it's a lot of things that I learned in the commercial industry, and that's how it should be. Drama में हमारे पास stylists नहीं होते, so हम नहीं देखते कि
नहीं होते.
सिलवटें नहीं हुई हुई, like it's everything needs to be proper, like obviously lived in but still proper. तो वो मैं हर चीज़ें कर रही होती. So then when I was on set as an actor, and let's say there was another scene after जिसमें मैं acting नहीं कर रही थी, तो मेरा दिमाग उधर होता था, उनके कपड़े रेडी हो गए, उनका ये हो गया, उनका वो हो गया. Like it was in me so much. And Nadeem bhai used to tell me, he was like, "Okay, Varda, like I said, this is now you're an actor, forget about everything else." So I said, this is the switch. It's a switch. I can't flip like that.
You can't flip. But you have been flipping. Hold that thought. You have been flipping between styling and acting.
But not on the same project.
Not on the same project.
Not on the same project.
Okay, so let's go back a bit.
Yeah.
And you started your career as a film student. That was your primary passion, yes? No?
Yeah. So anyway, I did my bachelor's, and then while I was doing it, I wasn't fully like into modeling. Like commercials kari thi. I did theater with Shima Kamani.
Yeah.
And so like small like short films, this, that, whatever, anything that I could just do.
Yeah.
And then it was that time when commercials say, like TV commercials say, digital ka zamana aaya tha.
Bilkul. And this was how many years back? Thank you.
This was 2015. 15. And so when that happened, budgets bhi kare the, like commercials ke or wo digital ke, even though काम तो same ही हो रहा होता है कि आप same, it's the same directors and this, that, whatever, but anyway, I think the budgets were cut. And for digitals especially. So I remember one of my friends at that time was directing something, and he was just like, "Listen, can you can you recommend some stylists? और उस वक्त हमारे पास 2-3 ही stylists होते थे. अभी भी we don't have too many commercial stylists.
Right.
Like, you know, you can count them on your fingers.
Right.
It's very less. So I was like, क्या ही करना होगा? तो मैंने कहा, and there was this thing where I was also modeling in, like I was acting in it also. तो मैंने कहा क्या करना है, कपड़े तो ब्रांड के आ रहे हैं, ये वो, but I was just accessories. He's like, can you do it? And I was like, yeah, sure. I mean, I'll be on set anyway. I'll just come in earlier.
Yeah.
I didn't get any money for that project.
Okay.
You know, it was just like I did it.
Right.
So that was a very small thing.
And you were also testing the waters. कि मैं कर सकती हूँ, do I enjoy it? All
Yeah,
of that.
yeah. And it's just something. I didn't study fashion designing or
Right.
anything of the sort. Like film was a completely different thing. My degree kind of helps me in a way that when we study production design, you know, we study about colors and background and this and that, and I feel like styling is a part of production design.
I was going to ask you this, that what qualification, a lot of people ask this, कि भाई क्या qualification होती है stylist की?
Yeah, they do fashion designing.
They do fashion designing.
Yeah.
Is
Like,
that the way it happens the world over?
Yeah, I think so. Like you do courses and stuff.
Right.
I didn't do that. It's just something that came to me naturally.
Yeah.
फिर मैं करती गई and so that's how I maneuvered into styling, and I was acting but not as much.
Right.
I did do like TV, but that was like very small, you know, tidbits that you do, and honestly I wasn't a fan. Like I didn't enjoy it back then.
Right.
Things, if I compare things like 10 years ago,
Yeah.
they have changed a lot.
They have.
Okay. So now, I mean, also because it's my first, like, you know,
Yeah.
mainstream and I'm there and whatever, I am enjoying it. Obviously, there's, you know, good and the bad everywhere, but it's actually gotten a lot better from what it used to be.
Like how? And when you say used to be, this was 10 years ago, you're talking about a decade ago?
Yeah, like 10 years ago.
Right.
I don't know, I didn't enjoy it. Honestly, like अभी हम जैसे बात करते हैं scripts की या कुछ. But back then, or maybe it was just the projects that I worked on, I let's say, also because, you know, मेरा वो एक अंदर से एक writer जो मैं script writing, I always wanted to be a writer and stuff, और a director. तो वो मेरे अंदर वो चीज़ जागती थी और मैं सवाल करती थी.
उस वक्त
करती थी कि भाई ये तो it's not even funny, it's not even written funny, so if I don't find it funny, how will the audience find it funny?
Yeah.
मैं कुछ भी कर लूँ. A lot of people take, you know, offense in that.
Absolutely.
कि नहीं, you know, you can't ask these questions.
Yeah.
And I was so young and like, you know, I didn't realize at that point. मैं बोलती थी भाई मैंने तो पढ़ा है. So
but also hold that thought as well. Were you coming from an entertainment or a media background?
No.
At all? None at all? Nothing?
No. So I'm actually the first person in my khandan to be in this field.
In this field.
Like,
right.
From both sides,
right.
and, you know, everything. Like now my brother is a singer and there's that, but he's younger, so he's after me. But it's just, so I was that, you know, that girl. And also because I come from, like my mom's a Memon, so you know the kind of household and the khandan she came from, वहाँ पे लड़कियों की जल्दी शादी भी हो जाती है 17-18 साल की.
17-18 साल
like engagement and then 19 and 20, like maximum is this what I'm talking about. And even if they do study, they don't work. Right. They're not out in the field. Like बहुत कम है. अब जाके वो रहा था, but like back in the days it wasn't like that.
Right.
So my mom, I don't know, it's just something that I wanted to do because I was studying pre-medical.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you have been jumping around quite a bit. Okay.
So I was studying pre-medical because वही होता था ना कि आप या तो डॉक्टर बनेंगे या BBA करेंगे या आप इंजीनियरिंग करेंगे.
A very unorthodox field है ना ये कि आप styling भी unorthodox है.
नहीं समझ आता था लोगों को.
I don't know, Memon family के लिए acting was kind of a allowed, like a forbidden territory or
not forbidden, but not something that they would
encourage.
Yeah. Like उनके लिए था बस डॉक्टर होनी चाहिए.
Right.
You know, like Dr. Bahu. But thanks to my mom, like, you know, she was just like, you know, I'll let my daughters do whatever that they want to. शुरू में वो मेरे साथ जाती थी हर वक्त, हर set पे.
How old were you at that time?
I was again 16, 17 when I was.
Right.
So she used to go with me. Only so that she said, if somebody says anything, I can always tell them that I'm going with her and I know that, she's working with the right people, this, that, whatever. So I would say at least for a year
Okay.
or a year and a half.
Okay.
On every shoot, she went with me. And also I think it taught me a lot in wanting to choose what the people that I want to work with or the projects that I want to do. Like I've always been very picky. Which is why, like, if you see my body of work also, like over the years, like, again, I tell everybody, like, for me, it's quality over quantity. And I've always been picky. Like, I want to be known for the good things that I do.
Yeah.
Like, it's just something that it's in me. Like, mujhe ye nahi ki main sab kar loon aur, it was never, I don't know, it was never in the books for me like that. So, what were we talking about?
We were talking about the trajectory of your career, basically.
But anyway, then फिर मैं styling में करने लगी, acting में again, I'm telling you the drama and how the drama has changed.
Achha, you were talking about then and now. So styling over the years, commercials kiye, or Coke Studio kiya.
My first feature.
What are the landmarks of your work? Would you say?
My first feature film as an associate was Lal Kabutar.
Lal Kabutar, yeah.
Yes. And then I worked on Coke Studio. This was season 12. And then like I did, everything. Uske baad, then I was just like, doing a lot of, commercials, like everything. Nestle and this and that, whatever, like you name it. And then...
is it a demanding job?
It is a demanding job.
It is.
It's also a very well-paid job. You get to travel a lot.
Right.
Ab cheezein obviously kam ho gayi hain. We don't get to travel as much. But we do a lot of international shoots. And with, like aapka, that you work with international directors and teams. And, it's just...
There's a lot of learning.
It is a lot of learning.
Work, yeah.
Yes. My only thing now is, as a stylist, it's come to a point where the brands or the brand managers will tell you what they want.
Yeah. Pehle nahi tha aise?
I don't think.
Coke Studio mein aisa nahi tha?
No. So Coke Studio was a different thing altogether. Like they said, ki, hamare color palettes, ye wo, whatever. That was a different thing altogether.
Mood board hota tha.
Yeah. But with brands, like now, let's say, whatever XYZ brand, if it's like a telecom brand, and they'll be like, oh, hamara brand color ye hai, to hame is color ke kapde chahiye.
Yeah.
And I feel like even as a stylist, we give style boards, which will only get approved by, let's say, the creative head first from the agency. Then it'll go to the brand, and then it'll go to some head. And then they will, let's say, if they don't like polo shirts. So they will completely like cancel that.
Trash it.
Yeah, and be like, nahi, polo nahi ho sakti. And when I style somebody, if it's like a character, I will do it according to what their body type is, or, what class they belong to, A, B. Like, just तरह से हम commercials में जो भी वो दिखा रहे होते हैं. I mean, obviously, वो लोग भी उस तरीके से सोचते होंगे, but I think उनकी बहुत एक personal opinions होते हैं जो आते हैं. And lately, I've also started feeling that I was only just, I was just procuring things for them.
Yeah.
वो कहते थे ये हमें ये चाहिए, हमें येलो कलर की टी-शर्ट चाहिए, हमें ब्लू कलर का शर्ट.
This is the brand now.
Yeah. So now, I wasn't really enjoying it. I was like, where is my creative leeway to work as a stylist or to style certain things? Which is why when I did Love Guru, and I enjoyed that a lot.
So one wonders that, is it how much of it is Myra, because she is a very well-dressed person, even personally. And how much of it is Humayun, because Humayun is a very classic dresser, he doesn't experiment much.
He did it this time. He experimented this time.
He did experiment this time. And is the stylist also responsible for the hair?
No. I mean...
And makeup? And so, tell me the process of, putting their wardrobes or their looks together for, because हम देखते हैं बाहर की फिल्मों में costume design एक पूरा project होता है.
yeah.
It's like part अभी Frankenstein पे ही.
Yeah.
Costume design is like a whole department. It's
I
like
still have to watch that.
Oh,
I still have to
it's
watch
like a
it.
whole pillar of the
Okay.
film कि अच्छा costume design पे कितना invest हुआ हुआ है, क्या सोच है. It's as important as a character building or a character arc is the costume designing.
Yeah.
हमारी फिल्मों में ऐसा तो नहीं होता. क्या होता है?
Again,
मतलब फोन आया, नदीम बेग ने फोन किया वर्दा को कि I want you to style up करो.
yeah.
What does that entail?
That entails basically everything in kind of creating the character.
What is the conversation you have?
Again, I asked him, I mean, obviously storyline. I wanted to know what the characters are like, so their character descriptions, and their background, जो भी आपकी character development होती है, जो अक्सर हम obviously नहीं पूरा नहीं दिखा रहे होते कि back story होती है हर character की जो हम दिखाते हैं. So it was that, and then I spoke about, what season we're shooting in, what time, and then there's day scenes and night scenes, and then, there are colors that you wear in the day and there are colors that you wear in the night, and then deciding a silhouette, deciding what hairstyle to do for them, and then even like kind of choosing the makeup or styles. Matlab, I don't do that, but again, like creating looks basically, everything कि भाई वो अगर वो एक तरीके से लाइनर लगाती है तो वो उसका स्टाइल
उसके तरीके से लगाएगी,
उसके तरीके से लाइक कैरेक्टर का है कि वो ऐसे करती है. एंड आई थिंक नॉर्मल जिंदगी में भी होता है कि अगर कोई एक बंदा है जो वर्किंग वुमन है, शी हैज अ हैंड बैग, शी वोंट यूज अ डिफरेंट हैंड बैग एवरी डे, लाइक इट्स समथिंग थिंग्स दैट आर रेपिटेटिव ऑल्सो, तो वो आपको वो चीज़ें डालनी होती हैं. देन देयर इज अगेन द होल प्रोडक्शन डिज़ाइन की अगर सेट्स हैं तो वो कौन से कलर के हैं, तो कपड़े किस कलर के होंगे, लाइक a lot of things. Again, shooting in London, and then different locations और मौसम and this that, तो अक्सर ऐसा होता था कि हमें नहीं उस वक्त we had to change things. So initially the board that I made was something which was for fall but not fully winters, but obviously because of the visas and stuff got a little delayed and we went, it was really cold. It becomes a little tough also to style for winters because no matter what you put inside.
Is it easier to style winter? Layering कर लो और
layering कर लो, हाँ.
ठंड भी तो होती है ना. हाँ. ठंड भी तो होती है.
ठंड भी तो होती है, and it was really cold.
Yeah.
And both the actors, by the way, Mahira and Humayun, को बहुत ठंड लगती थी, तो I would be sticking heat patches on their bodies, and like for the songs, let's say she was wearing backless, and she would be shivering. So like the minute would cut, we would give her the jacket.
क्योंकि सुनने वाले को लगता है how glamorous ना, ये लोग 1-2 महीने के लिए लंदन जाके रहे, वहाँ शूट किया, वर्दा की जॉब कितनी ग्लैमरस है. तो वर्दा की जॉब कितनी ग्लैमरस थी.
So a lot of my friends say that, it's like तुम तो घूमती रहती हो and तुम you in and out and this that whatever. I'm like, man, but I'm working like crazy. Like you don't understand. If we're on set 12 hours straight.
Yeah.
Or whatever XYZ. मतलब commercials तो और लंबे चलते हैं ना, 18 hours, 24 hours, and like you're on set. So I mean, it's not all glamorous. Everything that glitters is not gold. So it was, and again, you're like, you're saying that it may be easier, but then you can't. आप कितनी looks क्या दिखाओगे? आपने कुछ भी अंदर पहनाया है, आपने ऊपर जैकेट देनी है, कोट देना है, and how much of that can you change?
अच्छा, तो फिर अभी स्टाइलिंग से एक्टिंग की जंप कैसे आई? फिर नदीम बेग ने डिसाइड किया कि यार आप नताशा भी अच्छा कर लेंगे, आप ही आ जाएं. We need a Natasha in Guru.
So he kept saying from the start, he was like, it's this, you just fit into this character,
and you did.
Yeah, I mean, it was very me, like who I am as a person, and now that I'm doing a drama, I would say there's also I realized the difference in acting for cinema and for TV. For TV, you need to have that therao. You need to take your time and you need to, express.
Because there is time to be taken.
There is time to be taken and you need to express. And I am just generally like, I'm a very like, fast person. So even in the film, if you see, like, मैं कहीं से भी आती थी और मैं कुछ बोलती थी and I would just go like, the pace is fine क्योंकि आपके around बहुत चीज़ें हो रही होती हैं. For drama, it's like, you need to really take time. तो मैं कुछ भी करती थी, so even Musaddiq would tell me, तुम सही ये ऐसे करो, सब कुछ slow कर दो. And I was like,
0.5 पे चलो.
and it was in my
मगर ड्रामे
head.
पे आने से पहले I also want to know what was the difference working on a set like हमारे सिनेमा में और आपने मिस मार्वल में भी काम किया.
Yes.
उसमें क्या फर्क था? And what was that shoot like and how long was that shoot? And I mean, obviously there's a huge difference, and we can't
There is
compare.
a
We
huge
can't compare
difference.
a Hollywood set
Yeah.
to a Pakistani set,
Yeah.
even if it's in London. We can't
Yeah.
compare the two. लेकिन basic ऐसी क्या चीज़ें हैं जो आप समझते हो कि हमें ये अब resolve कर लेनी चाहिए? For example, I know that punctuality, discipline.
I was going to say that's the first thing.
It's
That
a
is the
huge thing,
first
right? And everybody
Yes.
complains about it.
Yes.
हम क्यों नहीं सही कर पा रहे हैं?
Ooh, I don't know हम क्यों नहीं
Was
सही
the
कर
Marvel
पा रहे.
set punctual?
They were so punctual, Amna. I can't
कितना
tell you.
लंबा shoot था?
I was
How
in,
did you get that role? Tell me a little bit about that. I know we're jumping.
Yeah, no,
but it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was initially, again, I had a private Instagram account. I didn't have an agent and I wasn't doing anything. And they emailed me, the casting company, and it was in my junk folder for over a week.
Oh,
I missed the
you have
deadline.
there's a casting company.
There's a casting company, Seraphin, which
Okay.
does it for all the Disney and Marvel movies, and
Okay,
like they've been
okay.
doing it, yeah. So they reached out.
Okay.
And
How did they find you?
So I think somebody's from Charmeen's office, I know,
Right. Okay.
had seen my work for this
Okay.
little cornetto. It was many years ago, like a short series, like 5-minute episodes or something that I did.
And the reason I'm asking is because I think this is really encouraging for newcomers and people who
Yeah.
are stepping into the field that everything you do it properly.
Yeah.
Because कहीं भी कोई भी notice कर सकता है.
Yeah. That, and then again, like, life will surprise you. Like, I didn't expect, like, it just, I'm telling you,
Out of the
it
blue.
came out of nowhere.
हाँ.
And the email was there. I missed the deadline to send my, like, self-tape,
Right.
you know, the audition that you
Audition.
sent. And randomly, raat ko ek din 2 baje, I think, and it wasn't just one email, they kind of kept sending emails to
They
follow
kept
up.
going to junk.
एक दिन वो खुद ही अपनी मर्जी से रात को 2 बजे, and I'm very like consistent with checking my emails. जंक में अब मैं जंक चेक करती हूँ अपना रोज every day, but पहले so you know नहीं आप वो कर रहे होते. So I saw that email. I was like, why would Marvel reach out
सही
to
है
me?
भी कि नहीं?
I was like, it's a
Spam.
scam.
हाँ.
And I remember I took a screenshot, I sent it to a friend's group, and I was like, guys, what is this? They said, do you know someone? I'm like, no, I don't. And so they were like, okay, then, you know, reply.
Yeah.
I was like, but how did they get my email? And, you know, I'm not out there, you know, like, aapne kahin
I
to
love
aapne
that,
wo
yeah,
dekha hoga or
yeah.
something. So, मैंने फुल अपनी डिटेक्टिव वो मोड ऑन किया और मैं गूगल पे जाके उनके नंबर सर्च किए, उनका ईमेल सर्च किया, सब कुछ टैली किया, बिकॉज उनकी ईमेल्स भी बड़ी प्रॉपर आती है ना विद देयर नंबर्स एंड दिस एंड दैट व्हाटएवर. टैलीड एवरीथिंग, मैच हो रहा था. तो मैंने कहा नहीं मैं ईमेल का रिप्लाई नहीं करूँगी, मैं कॉल करूँगी, बिकॉज इट वाज डे इन LA. I called and some receptionist, you know, picked up, and I was like, you know, I got an email
yeah.
from this person. She was like, oh, I'll put you online with him. And when he picked up, he was like, oh my God, we've been like wanting to reach out for so long. And I'm like, oh, who are you? Like, how do you know about me? And he was like, oh, I can't tell you because of the NDA. I said, how am I supposed
do I
to
know
speak
you're
to you? Yeah. And I was
authentic?
like, I don't know. How did you get my email? And then he mentioned, he was like, somebody from Charmeen's office had, you know,
Right.
passed on your email to us and stuff. So it's not, oh, मुझे पता भी नहीं था. अगर किसी ने भेजा भी मेरा email, तो एक आप बता देते ना कि यार email ही check कर लो. Anything, like I didn't know anything. I was just like, okay. And then while I was on the phone, I checked the email and I passed the deadline. So I was like, I'm so sorry, it was in my junk folder, ye, wo, whatever. And he was like, it's fine, I'll send you an NDA right now. If you sign it, I'll send you the lines, but you have to send the audition by tomorrow.
Okay.
And it was a whole process, by the way. Like, उनका बहुत वो होता है कि आप हर जगह से delete करें और ये करें और वो, like, you know, like proper steps में हर चीज़ लिखी होती है. मैं उठी सुबह 6 बजे, उन्होंने मुझे 4 lines भेजी थी. उन्होंने कहा आप जितनी takes भेजना चाहें भेजें. And there was no background about the character. It was just 4 lines.
Yeah.
And I was like,
What do I do with
what
this?
am I supposed to do with these 4 lines? और मैंने बस 2 takes भेजी because मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया.
And you play one of the friends, right?
The cousin. I
You
played
play the
Miss
cousin.
Marvel's cousin.
Yeah.
And it was a small role. And I was just like, fine, whatever. और मैंने बस करके भेज दिया. Within a week, I got an email. They sent me the offer. I was crying. I was like,
What?
I was like, what? My mom was literally, and you know, initially my mom didn't even know how big Marvel was. Like when I told her, and my brothers knew. So my brother went to my mom and he's like, आपको बताया वर्णा ने? So she's like, क्या? She's like, उसको Marvel ने उसने वो दिया है, अपना audition दिया है. My mom's just like, वो तो करती रहती है. You know, like she's just, she didn't know. And he was like,
The
भाई, this is,
magnitude of
yeah, she was like, वो तो करती, you know, like most of the times her friends are telling her कि, oh, हमने वर्दा को यहाँ देखा, या हमने वर्दा का ये काम देखा. My mom's just like,
chilled out.
it's like घर की मुर्गी, you know, कि, then my brother told her, कि भाई, it's this. She was like, okay. So when I got the role, I was crying and I was like, she's like, what do you not want to go?
Yeah.
I said, no, but like, how did I get it, you know? Because it was big and I didn't know about the role. I knew my character name Zainab that I was supposed to play. They didn't send the script. They didn't say, and I was just speaking to people on email and send, like, because I had to fly out in like, let's say 10 days. They got the visa and it was COVID and we were shooting in Bangkok. I didn't know anything. So my friends started initially saying कि तुम scam है, ये तो human trafficking हो जाएगी, ये तो you know, like whatever. And I was just like, man, it's risky.
Yeah.
Like, you know, you haven't spoken to somebody in person like that. And it was just through the emails.
You haven't met anybody.
Yeah, but anyway, so I just...
So you took a flight and you went to Bangkok.
They sent everything. It was like proper, like, you know, stays and everything. वो पूरा आपको उन्होंने, like, we got a business visa and like work visa and everything was sorted. तो वो जब चीजें इतनी proper आती थी कि I didn't have to do anything. Like I just, they would send me the photos, like just print this out, go, submit, come back, visas came.
How does one get to that level is what's going in my mind right now. कि उस level तक हम कैसे पहुंचेंगे?
Crazy.
आप कह रहे हो ना script भी नहीं मिला मुझे, but you had that trust and you know Marvel का नाम, अब चले गए. अब तो script घर में पड़ा हो, बंदा 2-2 महीने उसमें बैठा पढ़ रहा होता है कि करूँ ना करूँ. How does one go from this level to that level? It's just
they don't tell you.
But that is the prestige and the reputation.
Yeah.
Involved.
And obviously, who wouldn't want to, you know, as a matter of fact.
Absolutely.
Maybe I don't know, maybe like the other actors like Mehwish and Fawad and like maybe they were told something, but I know scripts weren't sent to anybody.
Yeah.
And the first time we got the pages was when we did a script reading on Zoom because everybody was in quarantine.
Yeah.
So it was a Zoom call that we did, but this is also when I got to Bangkok.
Bangkok, right.
So hum udhar hi the. But again, the experience, I'm telling you, it was, let's say if
वो लोग late होते थे set पे?
Never. If my call time, if I was supposed to be somewhere at 3:30 or 8:30, let's say 3:30, and the location, the distance from the hotel to the location was 12 minutes. वो 12 minutes का ही time रखते थे मेरे pickup का. It was never, and the first time I got, I was
not 15 minutes.
I was like, wow, they wouldn't round it off. I remember the first call time, I think the difference was 18 minutes. I'm like, oh, what is this weird call time? Like, falana 18 or 12 and this and that. So I messaged the AD and they said, oh, because the distance from the hotel to the location is this much. तो वो आपका 1 minute नहीं ज़ाया करते. And I would be there. And I'm telling you, like sometimes, and obviously you're excited, you don't want to be late and stuff.
Were you late in the beginning? Pakistan standard time पे चल रही थी कि नहीं?
नहीं. I'm always punctual. Today I was late.
Good girl. Yeah, Karachi standard time पे चलता है.
But generally I'm like very punctual. तो let's say अगर जो भी था, मैं 5 मिनट पहले जाके नीचे lobby में खड़ी हुई थी. And I would see their vans standing, or pickup vans, and they wouldn't even come in front of the door until it was that time that was written on the call sheet.
Yeah.
तो मैं पहले दिन आके खड़ी हो गई, मैं बाहर गई, मैंने कहा शायद वो आगे नहीं आएंगे, तो ने कहा yeah, you have time. So I went inside and I stood again. Then exactly like whatever my pickup time was, the van just came in front of the door. The doors opened.
Clockwork, huh?
And I went and sat.
Yeah.
I was like, great. It was, I mean, very like, you know, punctual, पहुंची हूँ. the PA received me from the van. She said, oh, at this, in like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you're supposed to be in here. फिर वो उतना उनका टाइम देते थे. वो कहती थी, oh, okay. Now she would come back, take me to the makeup trailer. Then obviously if there was a wait for let's say 5-10 minutes, 20 minutes, I would sit in my trailer. So we all had our trailers and this and that. And I was just like, okay, now this is great, you know, there's a shower and there's a TV and there's a lounge. And
Chill karo.
सबके अपने अपने होते थे. I barely spent more than 15 minutes in that trailer throughout my shooting time. Because वो आपको बैठने ही नहीं देते. आपका shoot होता था खत्म और कहते थे okay, wrap for you, go home.
Yeah, go home.
So they'd never call you early. They would never make you stand 20 minutes before the shot for the light to happen. Like, you know, they have stand-ins. And so it was this, I was sitting there and I was like, how will I go back and work in Pakistan? You know, like it's another level. So they were spoiling us a lot, you know. But
so I want to go through a kind of a checklist of things that people say. Of course, I have not worked in television, but people make these complaints कि you know ये होता है, and I want you to tell me कि क्या वैसे वहाँ पे कुछ भी punctuality थी. यहाँ पे no punctuality here, no discipline here, no timings.
No.
People are made to wait, especially the podcast is made to wait 10-10 घंटे. शाम को सीन है, सुबह से बुलाया हुआ, आप भिनक रहे हैं बैठ के, हशर हो रहा है ये वो. Second thing, the kind of relationship directors have with supporting cast and with the lead cast, does it differ? Is it all the same, the kind of treatment that the support cast gets? Did you feel that there was a huge difference between, you know, the stars and how they were treated and the support cast and how they were treated?
I don't have a lot of scenes, honestly, with support cast, because if you see, most of my scenes are in the drama are with Bilal or my dad, like Shimon and Varhania.
No, I'm talking about Marble.
Oh!
Yeah.
No, it was the same.
It was the same. That's what I'm saying. I'm comparing it. I'm talking about that.
It was the same for everyone.
Yeah. Like you said, you had your own trailer.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे तो there wouldn't be a concept.
No.
Leads को ही trailers मिल जाएं तो
और वो sharing पे भी होते हैं यहाँ पे.
Sharing पे भी होते हैं.
But that, and also, like, you know, because I was there for 2 months and there was the time when I wasn't shooting and I was so bored because I was just shopping every day, spending money. So I asked Sharmeen if I could help in some way. And she was like, okay. So you know that whole partition sequence that happened? I was on the mic for handling 600 extras.
Nice.
And because I did my little research and whatever, and a lot of people, there were like immigrants या जिनको you know English नहीं आती थी या Indians थे या जो भी whatever, तो आपसे उनको उर्दू में आपको बात करनी थी या जो भी. And then the ADs जो गोरे थे उनको भी इतना वो नहीं होता था, so I would just be on the mic.
So that is very valuable experience.
I was free, so I said I'll come AD, you know, and I would get like Sharmeen gave us like a camera person to record B-rolls and like, you know, इनसे जाके acting करानी है, ये करना है, वो करना है, and like, you know, building up that jazba and whatever for that whole partition sequence. I was on the mic. And the ADs were literally just like coming and being like, thank you, Vardhan. After every single take, and I was just like, okay, this is enough. Like, I'm not, you know. So anything that you do is valued so much. And then again, I didn't at that point feel like, oh, main as an actor hoon, to main kyun jaungi. Like, they were actually apologizing for the fact when I was on set not acting. They said, you know, we're really sorry, but we can't have trailers set up for you that day. I was like, I don't care. I want to be on set. You know? And then you learn so much.
You learn so much.
And
I think you're compensated well for your work as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when I didn't ask them for anything. I thought it was just like, you know, a thing that I'm doing.
For your support cast or for your AD work?
For my AD work.
Yeah.
But then they just came up to me and they said, oh, you know, we really appreciate this and we want to give you a bonus. I'm like, great. And, you know, money coming in dollars, and it was just...
Yeah.
So, फिर आपको मजा भी आता है, you know, कि
you're valued for your work.
You're valued.
Your time is valued.
Yeah.
Your work is valued. Your extra mile is compensated.
They don't say, this is good for you, good for your exposure. They're gonna just say that.
आपका फायदा हुआ है.
आपको फायदा होगा ना, इससे आपका फायदा है. Like, you know, that doesn't happen.
आप हमारे चैनल पे आ रही हैं तो आपको बड़ा फायदा होगा.
हाँ, मतलब जो भी. So there's obviously we have a very long way to go.
Yeah.
to be where they are. Again, there's no comparison because it's a much bigger industry.
It's a much bigger industry. We can't compare. And
Yeah.
I'm sure that people were very punctual and disciplined on the Love Guru set as well. I'm sure कि ऐसे टिच वक्त पे लोग आते थे सेट पे और सब कुछ क्लॉक वर्क पे हो रहा होता था.
नहीं. Also because we were shooting outdoors. Locations.
Marvel was indoors?
Marvels was also outdoors.
Yeah.
But London's weather was very unpredictable.
Compared to Canada?
No, I was in Thailand.
Thailand, right.
So it was hot. I mean, I remember shooting was only delayed one day because of rain. But London mein rains all the time. Like it's sunny. There was literally a scene in the fields कि वो I think wide में जो है वो बारिश हो रही थी, close में धूप निकल गई. आप नहीं कुछ कर सकते. So it was delays for that.
No, but even
and
if
the
there weren't, we know
really
that
far.
our sets are not punctual. I mean, this is no secret.
That I
this
would
is
say.
Not a well-kept secret.
Yeah.
We know that koi punctual nahi hota.
But but locations are also far. We was living in Central.
Yeah,
we
absolutely.
were going 3.5 hours away for something, and so it was.
So Marvel was Varda the actor and also Varda the AD and the film student. And then Love Guru was Varda the stylist and also Varda the...
I do double, triple dips
You are totally. You are multitasking. You Varda the actor. No, Love Guru was Varda the actor and also Varda the style director and the stylist and all of that.
Yeah.
And also the clothes handler and the...
Everything.
And the...
Shopper, personal shopper, cook, chef, cleaner.
Everything.
Yeah. It's also because, we were all living in apartments.
It was tough. Yeah, exactly. And now, okay, so...
It's just for the first
let's
time.
Let's get to, Meri Zindagi Hai Tu.
Yeah.
Because when we met for coffee, you said that, something was happening, but you couldn't talk about it then, and then it happened, and we saw you on screen. Now you have stepped full throttle into the television industry.
Yeah.
Pehli baat to ye hai okay, but you knew the television industry before.
Yeah, somewhat.
More or less. You've not styled any TV dramas or anything. No. As you said, there's never a style department.
So they have in-house, they have in-house people. अब वो बुरे अच्छे
अमूमन बुरे ही होते हैं.
But I think mostly actors are doing their own.
Exactly.
So I think it's mostly actors doing their own wardrobe, and I think that's this case in this also.
Yeah.
I mean, I did my own wardrobe. Everybody else does their own.
Yeah.
So but it's the first, I'm just acting.
You're just acting, purely acting.
Yeah, purely
Absolutely.
acting.
So, Varda, how does it feel to be right now the annoying girl on television as Faria? Who got roughed up, by the way, this time. Although
But it was so funny.
It was so funny. I mean, I haven't seen the episode, but I saw the clips and all that.
Okay.
So I'm assuming it was a dream sequence and she's thinking...
It was. I put up some BTS also, and it was so funny because we were laughing hysterically while shooting. We were like, वो आपकी सुई नहीं अटक जाती और आप हंस रहे होते हैं कि आपको सांस... Like, it was literally like... It was insane, yeah.
Tell me about that scene. How did it feel to get beaten up by Hania Amir? कैसा लगा आपको हानिया से मार?
वो इतने प्यार से मुझे कर रही थी. She was like, मैं सिर्फ पकड़ूंगी, तुम खुद कर लेना. So if you see, I put up some BTS on my profile, whatever little stuff that I had. And there's a scene where she puts my head down. So she was just supposed to hold my head. And ऊपर लेके आना था तो उसने कहा तुम खुद ही लेके आना. तो मैंने कहा शायद वो 2-3 दफा करेगी ना. She's banging. It's very... So the BTS where she's does this and then खुद ही सर ऊपर नीचे कर रही है. We just break into laugh. She's ये रुक ही नहीं रही है. मैंने उसके हाथ रखा है. She's बहुत acting कर रही है. So it was really funny again. The part where she was supposed to pull my hair. She's like, I'm not going to pull your hair. But whatever the thing that I did, and it was actually really fun. I just wish we had more BTS for that scene.
Yeah.
Because it's so much fun to see how something was shot. It was very funny. But yeah, it was, but I think, and I know a lot of people were really happy about it. They were like, this is what she deserves and this is what should have happened to her. And, our audience, I think the masses generally, people, I'm still learning and I know I'm very new to all of this. They think you are who your character is.
Yeah.
right? I've had people like messaging me and coming on to my profile and other pictures, not मेरी जिंदगी है तू related, commenting and saying कामयार की जिंदगी से दूर रहो, तुम ऐसे बन के रहोगी तो वो तुम्हें पसंद करेगा, तुम ऐसे रहो. And
how does that feel?
And I'm just like, guys, like I ignore it for the most part, but then I'm also like just thinking that they need to understand that this is a character. This
Are
is
you
not.
amused by it though?
I am. Again, it's all very new to me, you know. तो मुझे हंसी आती है बहुत में, and it's just, and also because you know Hania and Bilal, they've got like a huge fan following
Totally,
and stuff,
fandoms
and
and
lovers,
पूरे,
and you know people who are obsessed with them. तो उनके जो lovers और सारे हैं वो मुझे ऐसे वो messages करती हैं कि तुम क्यों उनकी जिंदगी में हो, हट जाओ. And मैं कहती हूँ यार, तो sometimes मैंने एक दो पे reply भी किया, मैंने कहा मेरे प्यार का क्या, मैंने कहा तुम निकल जाओ, तो मैंने कहा मेरा प्यार, like you know it's this the character. So yeah,
but fun, but you're having fun.
I'm having fun. It's also because I think हमें ड्रामे में ना हमने इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता.
Yeah.
Like especially serials के 24 episodes होते हैं. Let's say they stretch to even 26 or 30. To basically, I know there's a backstory to my character, and there's a backstory to every. And there's a backstory to every character. You can't show everything.
Yeah.
Right. Like if we're talking about my character, let's say, like I know that she is somebody, let's say, you know, she's tough. The first scene where you see her is where she steps out of that Cybertruck and she holds the...
जिसकी guest appearance थी एक episode के लिए Cybertruck की, उसके बाद
और episode में नहीं आया था,
नहीं वो बेच दिया, अब तो उसने बेच दिया,
अब तो बेच दिया है, but पहले
दो में आया था,
दो में तो आया होगा. वो तो उसने कहा कि भाई इतने malnutrition लोग हैं, you know, all of that. But that first scene, so you know, you can tell that she's confident. नहीं डरती वो किसी से. और वो हर वक्त पूरे वक्त हर किसी को जाके बोल रही है मैं थाने पहुंचा दूंगी, मैं ये कर दूंगी, मैं ये कर दूंगी, तो मैं जेल, you know, like all of that. Entitled. But then you also see that she's so vulnerable and she's so lonely, you know, that she doesn't, like, there's a soft side to her also. Like there's an outer tough shell, but the minute, even the first scene where they're at the party, like you see her, she's full of life and she's dancing, and even with like Kamyar, like he's twirling her around and all of that. But the minute he says, "Tum chali jao," so there's, you know, she drops and like she goes home, and there's this whole episode where, you know,
home with a bottle of
the champagne.
Champagne थी कि wine थी, but champagne.
Champagne थी. That, and then she goes home, and then she tries to call her mom.
And she's on some kind of medication as well, so she is on antidepressants or something.
Yeah, so you can tell that there is something with her.
There's a broken home. There's
yeah,
a mother
like broken home, and you know. So I feel like that is very visible and evident, and I know people can see it because they're having sympathy also. Yeah. Like in one scene, I saw somebody's comment, they said, why we hate this character, but why do we feel bad for her? You know? Because in this one scene, in the last episode or something, she says, she goes to Kamyar and she's like, you know, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा था कि मैं किसके पास जाऊँ, मैं तुम्हारे पास आ गई. She's so lonely. Yeah. And every time you see her, when you see her outside at Ira's or with the mom or with friends, you can tell that, you know, there's nothing wrong with her. But the minute you see her alone or with Kamyar or her dad or like speaking to her mom, she's sad. Like, you know, she has this, she's got abandonment issues. Yeah. She's got childhood trauma. And even with Kamyar, like, you know, and let's say agar wo uske saath ho chuka hai pehle bhi, this whole rejection and all of that, she's so scared to be even abandoned by him, by Kamyar. And you know, because आपने हमेशा सोचा होता है ना कि बस यही है मेरा, इसी से शादी होगी and like whatever, because वो इतनी दफा बोलती है कि भाई तुम्हारी लाइफ में तो कोई टिकता ही नहीं है, उसको लगता है कि भाई ये है and this, she will get him. And I think in normal life also, maybe like a lot of people I won't say not able to relate, but I myself come from a broken family, and kids actually do really feel the pressure. Not pressure, but like the outcome of parents getting separated, or like, things going wrong in the house.
I'm sorry we didn't touch upon that as well.
No,
but
it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah. So
So is there a reflection of that in the character as well?
there is, like,
There
you
is.
can tell that the parents are separated. And the last episode, she also says that, I really miss my mom and I love
Yeah.
her, but मेरी उनके husband से नहीं बनती. And I also miss her a lot, but उनके husband की मुझसे बनती ही नहीं है. So there's this distance, but माँ तो माँ है.
Yeah.
And it's very, like, I would say, like when I did my thesis film, and it's just something that touched me so much because I was very young. So my thesis film was about this. Like, it was about this 10-year-old kid who has a single mother, and then he, like, it was short because it's 12 minutes. So it was from his point of view, what he sees, his mom getting into, getting close to another man, or like, a relationship, and how kids perceive that and how it affects them. Generally, to hum nahi sochenge na. Like now, I feel like now also it's become very common. When back in the days when my parents got separated, I would almost be embarrassed
Right.
to say, why can't my dad sign my report card?
Right.
Stuff like that. So again, and it's not just about separation. Like if you see in Bilal's character, in some way, he also has a troubled
Yeah, absolutely. It's a troubled home.
childhood and troubled home, except for his dadi. Like when you see him with dadi, like, you'll see the good side of him. And of course, there's a good side to everybody. Like he'll call her darling and sweetheart, and like those sweet moments with the dadi. But with the parents, again,
None of
उन्होंने neglect, उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी में वो इतना वो थे कि उन्होंने नहीं देखा, और वो बार बार बोलता भी है, like he's very vocal about it also. And then, when people say that it's toxic and this is who he is, how they say man is known by the company he keeps. Yeah. You also, like, I'm very sensitive to energies, just to energies,
Right.
like
Of
different
course.
people
Yeah,
around you.
yeah.
So you actually absorb a lot of energies. So the kind of people he's around also, जो party कर रहे हैं, जो ये वो whatever, वो वैसा ही है. उसको लग रहा है ये दुनिया है. So when you see him with Ira, and in whatever way capacity he attracts that energy, you see that change in him. I know.
Although she's quite hyper as well. But
She is, yeah. But in a different way. Like if you see the kind of, the minute she's with us, she's like a different person with Kamyar or whatever. But when you see her with the family, she's, so well knitted and close bonded. And maybe that's the energy that she's giving out, and that's what he's accepting, and that's different from what he has.
This is your perception of
This is what my perception.
Yeah, so this is how you perceive the character and what's happening around. How do you, as Varda, of course, respond or react to all the criticism that the first 2 episodes got, and the fact that, okay, you're a modern, contemporary, educated, emancipated young woman.
Yeah.
Do you feel that any of it was valid? All that criticism that, okay, we are enabling toxic behavior, we're glamorizing it. अगर ये अमीर ना होता, good looking ना होता, तो कोई इसको accept ना करता कि ये क्यों? Why are they rooting for the Ira Kamyar couple? Why? You've shown him to be a playboy. You've shown him to be abusive. वो गाड़ी को आग लगा देता है. Really, really toxic.
Yeah.
लेकिन एक थप्पड़ खाता है and he falls in love and he's ready to completely turn around.
Yeah.
उस वक्त से he's a new person. जबकि रियल लाइफ में अगर ऐसे किसी ने थप्पड़ खाया हो तो वो आगे से उसको भी आग लगा देता. Do you think it's responsible storytelling as Varda? And B, is the criticism valid?
So, see, it's valid. I would say, like, people have their own opinions and stuff.
Yeah.
My perspective on this is that it's a drama.
Yeah.
And dramas are supposed to be dramatic. This is how I see certain things, and I feel like when I watch something, or if I want to watch something, it's for escapism. A lot of people also had concerns, and they were commenting about how can a medical student just zone out.
Totally.
obviously it's in real life, if you see, it's not possible. But if you see it in the eyes of, let's say, storytelling or dramatics and this, it is possible. It's fiction. And you're supposed to otherwise तो फिर वो एक documentary type
but like
हो
you
जाएगी,
said, people take it so seriously that they're telling you कि उनकी जिंदगी से बाहर निकले. So this is the impact of our drama
Yes.
on the
But,
audience or on the masses.
But I think उनको ये भी चीज समझनी चाहिए that this is every drama has a different genre. You know, कोई serious होगा, like I don't watch a lot of dramas, but there's like Case Number 9 or वो different चीजों को लेके
Core value
वो
फर्क
चलते हैं,
होगी,
core
yeah.
value के उसको लेके चलते हैं. But this is a love story about two people.
Yeah.
Toxic, non-toxic, there'll be an arch, there'll be character arcs for everybody getting introduced. Obviously there's a reason why everybody's in the drama.
Yeah.
But I think what was I saying? So yeah, anyway, so that I feel like I understand the criticism is valid, but people need to understand that to just take it as a drama. I know हम बहुत nitty-gritties में घुसते हैं. Even मैं अक्सर बोलती हूँ कि ओ ये इतनी जल्दी कैसे हो गया, ओ इसको एपिसोड 2 में कैसे प्यार हो गया. But आप like again, because there's so much storytelling to do, because if you actually focus on one scene and you get into it and you know take that route or whatever, it'll just take forever. The drama would never end.
Yeah.
You know, like that. अगर आप सोचें आप दिखा रहे हैं कि उसको span of 15 days में प्यार हुआ है, और 15 दिन में जो दिखाएंगे लोग बोलेंगे स्टोरी तो आगे ही नहीं चल रही. You know, I see it like that. कि you obviously like you know like जैसे लोग कहते हैं कि ओ ये अगले दिन कैसे हो गया, भाई टाइम गुजर गया. अब आप ये तो नहीं दिखाएंगे कि वो टाइम 18 घंटे का टाइम है तो उसमें सोया, फिर वो उठा, फिर उसने ना, like you know, it's just again for to stretch the duration and this and that, whatever. वो scenes हम add करते हैं और सब कुछ.
Do you feel that when men are writing these stories, they tend to become a little more sort of, you know, this way, that careless way, they take that route a bit more casually because it comes more naturally to them. Whereas when women write, they write perhaps with a little more sensitivity and insight. ये तो होता है.
ये तो होता है.
ये तो
That
होता
I
है.
would agree,
And the
yeah.
same thing applies to Love Guru, by the way.
Yeah.
That, you know, that one scene, just the fact that, and we all were kind of like shocked by it, that bedroom में camera लगा दिए.
Yes.
And everybody's
We
okay
knew
with
it.
it.
We knew, we knew it was wrong.
But
like,
nobody said कि यार bedroom में ना दिखाएं, ये problematic है ये.
Yeah. I think initially there was supposed to be in the bathroom also, but I think that was but that was chucked out कि नहीं ये नहीं.
अच्छा, bathroom check out कर दिया, bedroom नहीं किया.
वो उसको और कैसे स्टॉक करते हैं?
Okay.
You know, I again, like all of these questions that you're, let's say, asking me, when I read the script, तो मेरे भी बहुत सवाल थे, क्योंकि मैं कहती थी अच्छा नहीं मैं realism or reality, and you know, like you stay close to reality so people can relate. But it's a film.
Yeah.
You know, आप दिखा रहे हैं, like you know, if you break into a song and you go into a dream sequence, people enjoy that also.
That's fine. There's nothing harmful in that.
Yeah.
But to show a hero being okay with the cameras being put into the heroine's bedroom, where she would be changing and she would have very private moments, is just not right.
Yeah.
Just not right.
Yeah.
And similarly, when it comes to drama, I mean, we can go with the flow, absolutely. But then we're maybe an enlightened, emancipated, kind of an aware audience. हर बंदा तो ऐसा नहीं है. ये है तो responsibility तो आती है.
वो तो आती है.
So we'll wait for the day you write your first drama. We'll wait for the day you are writing your first drama.
Oh my God.
Because you're a writer as well, right?
I stopped. Obviously, when I got into all of that, फिर वो अभी इनको दो चीजों में ही वैसे होता है ना कि Varda is actor, Varda is stylist. तो बोलेंगे अच्छा Varda is writer.
How much fun was it to work with Bilal and Hania though?
It's been great, honestly, so far. You get to learn again a lot.
Both award-winning actors.
They're both great.
Yeah.
And I don't have a lot of scenes with Hania because my track is mostly with Bilal.
इस weekend तो बहुत scenes आए हैं हानिया
वो
के
तो है.
साथ.
Yeah, but like little bit, but nothing of that sort where I
Yeah.
would. Mostly, it's just with Bilal's side, and my track is with him. But again, it's been a pleasure. Like again,
Okay,
he's
tell us
such a nice.
what is Bilal's method of acting on set? What does he do on set? Because he never talks about it. So we want to know it from you who have worked so
He
closely.
hasn't spoken about that with me either. He's such a I feel like he's a very dedicated actor and he's a very private person. And so he'll want his own separate space. And he'll like 5 minutes before the scene, he'll okay, if it's we'll do our lines and we'll go discuss things with Musaddiq and then we'll do the scene. But I know one thing, that he always wants to know what scenes we're shooting the next day or
Right.
according to schedule, जो कि वो भेजते हैं. बट अक्सर ये ऐसा होता है कि कोई पूरे में बहुत छोटे छोटे ऐसे सीन्स होते हैं, देन कोई एक बहुत इंटेंस सीन होगा तो बोलेगा ये नहीं करेंगे आज, बिकॉज यू नीड टू बी इन अ डिफरेंट माइंड सेट, in a different zone and everything. So he's like, no, but ये मैं अभी zone में नहीं हूँ तो ये नहीं अभी कर सकते. But I think he really prepares and he does learns the lines and he knows where he's coming from and वो किस तरीके से क्या लगेगा screen पे. Obviously because all of his dramas have been hit, mashallah say, and he does his own thing.
As a stylist, do you approve of his wardrobe as Kamyar?
Yeah, most places. Some places I would say, we could have gone in the start. Abhi, when he's so much focused on work and understand he's that is fine. I know in the start when he was this playboy party guy, I know there's stuff that we could have done differently.
Right.
But then again, these guys started shooting way before me, and a lot of stuff was already shot. और मुझे mostly इतने scenes नहीं पता चलते हैं because the actors, we just get our track, our lines and our scenes and stuff. So again, if you ask me if you want to get any gossip from me, I won't be able to give you because मुझे आगे कभी नहीं पता. Even some teasers or whatever.
I never want to know the story. I'm happy watching it. I never want to know the story.
Yeah.
I'm already interested in the process. I'm interested in the process. Were you involved in the styling or the costume for anybody, the wardrobe for anybody? No, just for your own.
Just
your
for
own.
myself.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. Obviously there were some scenes where let's say Musaddiq would ask me कि अगर character है तो क्या होगा, and I would send references.
Right.
But nothing I haven't done anything for anybody like that, or procuring stuff. मैं अपना ही कर लेती थी बहुत था. But yeah.
But I like the way everybody's turned out. It's it's close to character.
Yes.
Nobody's really I love Falak's wardrobe. Is really nice.
Because she's got a character. She wears a lot of ajrak and prints.
I love her
stuff.
her shoes, her sandals. All
yeah.
that is it's very Falak.
Yeah.
The same with Hania. I think she really knows how to put her character together.
Yeah.
And the same with Bilal. I mean, now that he's a corporate person,
he's
suits are very well
proper,
tailored. Absolutely.
The high-waisted pants and the gurkha pants and the belts and he's just
absolutely, he does that well.
He does,
there's
and he carries things well, and even so does Hania. Anything you put her into, she'll get into that character.
Absolutely.
So I think that's what matters the most.
There's attention to detail.
Yes.
And of course your character as well.
Yeah.
वो लगता है you to have fit into the role perfectly, Because I always feel that when you're bringing in this kind of a character, she needs to look and sound right.
Yeah.
And if she doesn't, then it just becomes off.
Yeah.
But she looks and sounds right.
Because then again, our masters be like, ये तो ऐसे बोली नहीं रही. इनको अभी भी खैर, a lot of people are saying, but again, I'm just like, because I was told by somebody once that I don't have. You can cut this if you want to. But somebody told me once that I don't have a traditional drama face.
Yeah.
It's it's.
What is a traditional drama face?
I don't know. They said.
Why would we cut it? I mean,
this is the question that I asked them, and they said, "Oh, gold shakal, gori, and बड़ी आँखें, there's that whatever, मासूम looking, जिनसे आप रोने धोने वाले scenes, sad scenes, or that was the description that somebody would give for somebody to be a drama face, and I was like, okay. तो मैंने कभी उसमें सोचा ही नहीं था कि कि करना है नहीं करना, but yeah, you tell me. Do you have Like, what do you think of my character? Like, I know, like, you know, a
No,
lot of
I
people
actually
have
like
said-
your character.
Okay.
I actually don't find the character annoying. I think it adds a lot of dimension. I like the character.
Yeah.
And I like the fact. What my problem is with the stereotyping, because it's always the modern girl who will
Yeah.
walk out with the champagne and who's smoking and who's wearing
Yeah.
Western, who will be the
Yeah.
homebreaker, the vixen, the
Yeah.
third, you know, the all of
Yeah.
that. मेरा वो
Yeah.
है कि थोड़ा सा हम stereotype कर देते हैं.
हाँ.
I have no problem with the character. I mean,
Yeah.
she
Yeah,
has been with
stereotypical.
him for the longest time.
And I think उसमें भी आपको बहुत मुझे लगता है कि बहुत like I'm also very scared, like I don't want to be typecasted, like you know,
Yeah.
future roles
Yeah,
लोग
yeah,
बोलेंगे
yeah,
oh
yeah.
she's done this so well, so maybe like you know this is
I would want people to feel some empathy for Faria as well, you know,
Yeah,
because
they are.
she is struggling with her
Yeah.
mother,
yeah
and she is struggling with her relationship with
Yeah.
her mother.
Yeah.
She does have abandonment issues.
Yeah.
Those are evident. So I would
Yeah.
like for people to feel a little empathy for her
Yeah.
as well.
so does Kamyar.
Does he अभी तक तो वैसे नहीं इतना थोड़ा बहुत है. I
Like
mean, now that he's coming into his own,
Yeah,
perhaps we're seeing that side of him.
Yeah.
But होना चाहिए.
So I was saying that, you know, with Bilal's character, I've also felt like, you know, how even as friends, like somebody, like an audience, somebody messaged that, you know, Bilal should be there for Faria as a friend. Like Kamyar should be there for Faria as
Yeah.
a friend. And because she has been there for him.
Yeah.
But when you see, like, he's emotionally also very unavailable for her. Like, she keeps reaching out to him. Like, the scene where she's like, oh, मुझे मम्मा ने कॉल की थी तुम्हें पता है ना, and all you see him is doing अच्छा तो अच्छी बात है. Again, because then this made me feel like, you know, when people talk about like, oh, you can't force a relationship.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what's happening with these two characters also. That she's trying to really like, obviously उनके वो cute, sweet moments भी हैं, वो कहते हैं यार मैं sorry और ये वो whatever. But if you flip the sides and you put, let's say, Ira, who he's completely in love
Head over
with, or
heels with,
you know,
yeah.
वो उसकी छोटी सी छोटी चीज भी होगी ना कि अगर उसकी चाय में चीनी कम है तो वो चाय में चीनी कम क्यों है? Like I'm just like, you know, saying
Yeah.
whatever. Like he will want to like kind of be there. कि
Yeah,
मैं
so it's
चीनी
not
डाल
that he
के देता हूँ.
can't pick up on these things.
Yeah.
He can. Yeah.
Yeah. So I feel like वो एक ये वाली चीज भी, I don't know, maybe something that Bilal worked on, like in the back of his head or whatever. But I'm seeing it now on screen when I see the episodes. Like it's actually very, like it's evident if you see it. जब उसके पास वैसे इस दुनिया का सारा टाइम था, वो आयरा के
Yeah.
पास सो भी रहा है उसकी गली में and जा भी रहा है and उसको कॉल भी कर रहा है, like you know everything. The minute she says अच्छा चाहिए कॉफी पीछे तो कॉफी भी ले जाता है. And when I ask, he's like मेरे पास सिर्फ 10 मिनट है.
10 मिनट है.
सिर्फ 10 मिनट.
You know, and I'm asking, like, can you not delay it? And he's like,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. So it's it kind of shows that you can't force
You
relationships.
can't force relationships. Ironically, though,
Yeah,
he's also kind
but
of
he's backed off now.
subliminally kind of forcing that
He did
relationship.
that.
And he's backed off now.
Yeah. Because in the last episode, it was a very nice line where he says, you know, कि हम जिनसे प्यार करते हैं उन पे conditions नहीं लगा सकते.
हम जिनसे प्यार करते हैं ना उनके आगे कंडीशंस नहीं लगाते हैं.
And he says that to me. It's this conversation that he has with me.
Yeah.
तो वो basically तो अपने उसमें भी वो कह रहा है, but वो मुझे भी ये चीज कह रहा है because he
Yeah.
understands and he knows, like you
Yeah.
know, it's very evident because my dad tells him कि भाई फारिया को तुमसे इतनी शिकायतें होती हैं, तुम you know उसको ये वो हर वक्त upset रहती है तुम्हारी वजह से. First scene जब मैं जाती हूँ तो मेरे बाप मुझसे पूछता है कि कामयार से लड़ाई हुई है, तुम sad हो
Yeah,
New Year
yeah,
night
yeah.
पे, you know. So that he knows and stuff, but then he's backed out. तो वो अपना भी अपने उसमें भी लाइन्स कह रहा है कि हम जिनसे प्यार करते हैं उन पे कंडीशन नहीं लगाते. And if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. If it's not, then फिर मतलब हमारी जगह है ही नहीं उनकी लाइफ में. And it's so, you know, it's very subliminally. It's also for me, but also for him and him and Ira's
Yeah.
relationship
Yeah.
together, where he's
Now, of course, you're nothing like Faria.
oh, I'm not. I'm actually not. I'm
No, no.
literally quite the
Of
opposite.
course, she's nothing like Faria.
Please, guys.
Yeah, except for the fact that, of course, that dress sense comes from your aesthetic
Yeah.
and your ethos, and that flair and that kind of that comes from you.
Yeah.
Is there anything else? Because you've mentioned the broken home,
Yes.
and the abandonment or the
Yeah.
separation anxiety or the
Yeah.
issues. Is there anything else as an actor that you kind of borrowed from your own experience, your own life, or kind of adapted? Because a lot of people do this kind of
yeah.
method acting, you know?
I would just say this because I think that's the more like the fundamental core of her,
Yeah.
Faria's personality also. So this thing, everything else is quite the opposite. The partying, this. I'm a very homebody. I want to be at home and just if I'm working, I'm working. If I'm home, I'm at home. I don't go anywhere.
Yeah.
So that, but I think the confidence, like when you say that, you know, it kind of shows
Yeah,
also
yeah,
because I've been independent, not independent like in that, because I always wanted to be independent because, you know, I live with like I grew up with a single mother,
Yeah.
and I always saw her doing everything herself. So watching her, I realized that I don't ever want to rely on
Anybody.
any man.
Yeah.
When you see that in Faria also some places, वो खुद गाड़ी चला के जाती है या वो खुद कहीं पे पहुंच जाती है, like उसको जरूरत नहीं है किसी की कि कोई उसको पिक करे या उसको कोई ड्रॉप
Yeah.
करे या
लेकिन चाहिए उसको है फिर भी कम यार. हाँ.
वो तो शादी करना चाहती है वो तो शादी करना
Yeah.
चाहती है but I'm just saying वैसे like to do anything else, then that's who I am in my personal life as well. Like अगर मैकेनिक से जाके काम कराना है, I will go to the mechanic and get it done. Like, you know, like I have
Hands on. Yeah.
I'm like hands-on like that. Once my tire got punctured, and that was the first time it happened, and I didn't know, so I googled and I YouTubed. I didn't know where to put a jack, and I said where to put a jack in this
Well
car,
done. Yeah.
and it was because you know, like I tried doing it, but it's a job because
Yeah.
it's very tight and it's heavy. Like you can't just lift up a car. Like that's not like a thing. And I did that, and I remember like मैं उस पे खड़ी होती थी फिर उसको नीचे करती like and I did it like you know with some help, but and I was telling my friends and they were like, what do you mean? And I was just like, yeah, I did that. I just googled and I did it. I didn't feel the need to call anybody कि oh my god I'm stuck. Once somebody said oh अगर गाड़ी heat up हो जाए, I was like क्या होगा, थोड़ा वेट करूंगी, रेडिएटर खोलूंगी, पानी चेक करूंगी. And they're like, what, really? Like I said, yeah, like you know, I mean, I have my days, like I'm very like hands-on like that. And I think
Well done.
and if I'm a la-di-da, then I'm a la-di-da. Like I can be like it's balanced, I feel like, and that's how it should be.
Yeah.
Because I have, and maybe it's something that it came to me in my upbringing also, and just seeing and learning. But otherwise, if you're sheltered
Yeah.
a lot, like too much, then you don't have that street smartness in
Need
you.
or urge to know.
आप नहीं कर सकते, especially like just imagine, like I'm sure you would know, like surviving in a city like Karachi.
Absolutely.
You can't.
You can't be la-di-da.
Yeah. I've dodged like mobile snatchers and like whatever. 'cause
Dodge them.
I'm very attentive. I know somebody's following me, I will change my route last minute.
Well done. Huh.
I will like, you know, go whatever, like go to the nearest petrol station, call somebody, stand where the security guard, like, you know, a lot of people, and give the wrong indicator, go somewhere else the minute they turn.
Okay,
So
alert,
I do.
high alert.
Yeah,
You're,
so
you're a girl on high alert.
I do all of those things. Even if like generally like I'm like alone and like I've got music on and I'll be like, you know, enjoying and doing whatever, like actually like I'd call this a karaoke. I do everything in my car. But I'm also very attentive that I know that if the car or somebody, you know, following me, मैं हमेशा उन स्लो करके उनके पीछे लगा देती हूँ कि पहले आप जाएंगे और फिर मैं जाऊँगी. Again, it's something that I've learned from my mom.
Yeah, okay.
But yeah, so this is, I think it's Faria has that thing in her also.
She does. She
Like
has that
the
vibe. She has that independent vibe.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
Now, what now? अभी तो ये shoot चल रहा है.
Yes.
ये shoot चल रहा है, and now you have stepped into television
Yeah.
and acting full-fledged. And you see this as a career line for you?
Yeah, why not?
Why not? Do you
Yeah.
feel that you fear that you will be stereotyped?
I hope not.
Yeah.
I know it's something because I have gotten offers for dramas before this, of course, and they've all been about this modern girl. and
Modern घर तोड़ने वाली लड़की.
घर तोड़ने वाली लड़की, ex-girlfriend types, ये वो whatever. This when I went for a meeting with Nadeem Beg for this character, he said one thing to me which, you know, it's not about being a negative character or a villain or anything. I feel like negative characters or villains, they have more room to play around.
Right.
Like, you know, they're in their gray areas and stuff. He said, you know, I still have to watch. मैं मंटो नहीं हूँ, and haven't watched it. But Azan's character in that, and it's a negative character,
Yeah.
but everything he does is out of love.
Yeah.
And you know how they say everything is
It's
fair
fair?
in love and war? I don't know.
I think we need to modify that statement now.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it like he does it out of love or what? I haven't watched it.
He does it out of ego and entitlement as well. I mean, it's
Okay.
all perpetuated by that.
Okay.
Yeah.
But he's in love.
Love and obsession, perhaps. That we blur the lines between love and obsession.
Oh, okay.
And yeah.
Okay. But again, okay, maybe I got that wrong because I haven't seen it. But I'm just saying that he, like with Farya's character, everything that she's doing is out of love because she believes
She is.
everything is fair in
Yeah.
love and war kind of thing.
Right.
You know, वो कह रही भाई मुझे चाहिए तो मुझे
नहीं तो
चाहिए.
फारिया तो हो गया ना उसके बाद अब क्या क्योंकि अब किसी ने कह दिया कि you don't have the typical TV
Yeah.
face for the मासूम
Yeah.
रोने वाली लड़की.
Yeah. But you know, again, like say this was a few years ago, and now you
Right.
see different
Absolutely.
scripts.
Absolutely.
You see
They
different characters.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that is all of that is happening. So
Right.
I'm sure there will be something that I can, you know, pick, and it's not something who's a homewrecker.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's-
Absolutely. There's hope.
Yeah,
I think there's
I mean, if
diversity
it's meant
now.
to be, if I got Marvel just sitting at home like in bed at 2
Absolutely.
a.m. in the night, then
Absolutely.
if you know something is meant to be.
Yeah.
And also, I would like even for this character, I would say they wanted me to do a screen test like way before, and like you know things, something or the other just wasn't. Either I was traveling or they were shooting something else, and they were busy. And I just said one thing. I was like, you know, well, if it's meant to be,
Yeah,
it'll happen.
absolutely.
It'll go around. And that's what I'm saying. These guys were shooting since April, I think. I only started shooting in September. So that was a long,
Yeah.
you know, break. And they could have gotten
Anybody.
anybody.
It was meant to happen.
You know, and there are obviously a lot of female actresses
Yeah.
who are in the field and like, you know, people know them and this, that, whatever, would also maybe fit the role. But it was written for me. So I got it.
Absolutely.
So
मैं
stars.
Yeah.
तो मैं उसमें बहुत वो होती हूँ कहती हूँ बस जो होना है वो होना है वो जैसे भी टर्न लेके आएगा वो फारिया का अनोइंग कैरेक्टर है या वो कोई you know like whatever I don't know I've nothing in the books for me but it's great because I feel like I'm also this is just as a person in real life I don't plan things I'm very spontaneous
Okay, we'll go with the flow.
I go with the flow.
And on a parting note,
Yeah.
आपके इस weekend LSA हुआ है.
Yeah.
So let's bring out your inner stylist as well.
Okay.
Give me in a nutshell your opinion on the LSA red carpet. Like first impression.
There were a lot of hits and misses.
Okay, hits. 3 of your hits.
Himayal.
Wow, so good.
Yeah,
And then
she's
Hashmi.
fab.
Fantastic.
Mavra looked really
so good.
nice.
So good.
I'm just thinking who. Take some names. I liked Ikra in the cute.
Yeah,
She's
she's
you know
expecting,
like a
yeah.
sunflower.
Yeah.
Um.
Okay, what is your take on Hania's dress?
I think she looked uncomfortable in it.
Yeah.
But then, you know, as like I said, you know, there are actors who say they like certain silhouettes or they, you know, and we've always seen Hania very like plain silhouettes and like, you know, when we saw at Hum Awards. you know,
Solids,
that- Yeah, solids and just generally also. उससे पहले भी Hum Awards जब हुए थे, she wore that pink dress. So like she does a lot of like body cons and stuff. So maybe that is her statement
It totally
style.
is. Totally is.
Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, something
We all
that
felt
she
that
wanted.
it was her. I think she looked really cute.
Yeah, she looked cute. She looked very Korean.
Maybe a size up a bit, you know, because
I could tell that she wasn't comfortable.
Yeah, I
and I
think-
feel like if for award shows or whatever it may be, you need to be comfortable. Like, you
Yeah.
can't just, like, you can't
be uncomfortable. in what you're
uncomfortable
wearing.
throughout the thing because it shows,
Yeah.
you know, in some way or the other. And when you're, मैं तो खैर बहुत ही बारीकियों से चीज़ें देखती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत वो होता है कि ओ ये यहाँ पे सिल्हट क्यों बन रही है यहाँ पे बबल्स बन रहे हैं and you know like it doesn't because when you're at these events, you're getting photographed
Yeah.
and there are videos,
Yeah.
you know, being captured from every angle.
Absolutely.
And it's again for the masses, like, you know,
Yeah.
फिर आपको I think उस चीज का बस थोड़ा सा ख्याल रखना होता है. बाकी I think I think she looked really cute.
She looked
she
really
looked
cute.
very Korean
Very
with the black
Korean. Yeah,
hair
yeah,
and
yeah, absolutely.
everything.
Yeah.
And like again, she pulls off anything.
And that
but I just
silhouette
felt
is
like
her.
yeah. Like I said, she has been doing that.
Totally.
But again, the comfort for me is also always there.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, that was great talking to you.
Thank you
We had
for
been planning this
having
for
me.
quite some time now.
Yes.
And we were like, okay, we have to do it once your drama has started
Yes,
and it's kind
yes,
of midway so that your character
Yeah.
is fully like exposed and people understand.
Fully exposed, like, yeah.
Okay, there's more. But of course, there's a lot more to come. And
Yeah.
there will be an arc.
We're
that
only
will
on
be
episode 12.
12 right now.
Right now, yeah.
So,
So,
abhi
inshallah,
abhi
let's
bahut
see,
pada
hoping
hai.
for the best. And
Absolutely.
I'm sure everybody's
Entertained.
entertained. And watch it
entertained.
for the sake of drama.
Yeah.
And
Don't take it too
fiction.
seriously. And don't send hate.
Don't send hate. Yeah, don't send hate. I mean, again,
Yeah.
मुझे this is what Musaddiq told me initially. He's like, you have to be very, you know, thick-skinned
Yeah, absolutely.
for that. So वो मैं सीख रही हूँ अभी. I'm
Don't
learning.
send hate. But
But spread
whether it's your filmmaking or your acting or your styling, good luck with
Thank
all the
you.
projects. And I hope more exciting things happen.
Yeah.
And I hope that the industry
There's some
also
things
gets
in the, well, let's see.
pipeline. Inshallah.
Pipeline,
Inshallah.
yeah.
But thank you for your
Inshallah.
time.
Thank you
And
for
thank you for
having
taking
me.
us into your world.
Yes.
Whether it's Marvel or
As long as people don't get bored, I mean,
no,
I
Marvel,
hope they
film
enjoy
or
it.
television, you know, it's quite a
Because
diverse
there was a lot of things that we
portfolio.
talked about.
Absolutely,
You
a lot
can't
to talk
cover
about.
everything, but yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Murtha.
Thank you.